She does that.
You kiss a Jama. Mata kiss a Jama. Mata kiss a Jama.
Oh, baby, I'm there.
Jesus.
Come on, help him.
Jesus.
I don't know.
He shot you.
Jama resurrect.
Come up from this little bit.
Jama resurrect.
What did he do?
Oh, Jama resurrect.
That side.
Hello?
Oh, call your babe now.
I did call her like, hello?
No time, I beg.
Where are you? Alexander. Be coming to that transformer now. All these girls. Be coming to that transformer. Where are you? Okay.
Oh, see how they come here.
Yes.
You're Oscar, right?
Yes.
From Facebook?
Yes.
Oh, how are you? I'm happy to see you.
Lord of Jesus. What's it with that?
I think possible, bro.
Okay.
What?
There's no rat here.
Hey, these are my friends. Chidinma.
Hi.
Tiagas,
How are you?
Sorry?
The Tiagas, eh?
What's going on?
The rats.
I can perceive the rat. Like, are you serious?
Rat?
Don't you perceive anything like rat?
Really rat? I
Yes.
don't see any rat here. All the same, baby.
I'm not told to do that. I am not the smell.
Really? Are you so
Seriously?
I am not the smell. Sure?
No, baby. My love.
Hey.
Really?
What's the meaning of this? How much is my
Come.
How did you wash your mouth? It's
See.
smelling so bad now.
Close up 350 days. Close up
I
200
can't even
days.
believe you're the one. Your mouth
Close
is
up
the one smelling
150
like
days. Close up 15 naira day. They will get you sick 300 naira a day. And your mouth will smell.
No, baby.
You feel use salt and water.
You're insulting me. I
the
came
craze.
from Lagos to meet you.
You carry big from Lagos to here with Matt Odour. I fear you.
No, baby, don't do this.
Come on.
Baby.
Hey! Come back. You're the frog jump. You the craze? Frog jump.
Baby, you want me to?
The frog jump. Now you
don't know what's in the candy.
go down there. Go down. Go down. Yeah.
Find this thing, man. Come on, do some job.
Carry big Matt Odour. 1, 2.
Oh.
Come on. Go down there.
Don't make this.
The craze. 1, 2. Carry big yash. Come. Carry big yash. Visit from one day, you go collect today. After you come, go my house, I go buy you clothes of 350. If you carry go Abuja or be Lagos where you come from.
Oh yeah, come on, do some job.
You carry wig of 1.5. You know if you buy clothes of 150.
Smell mouth. They call it.
The mouth. Go down there.
Come on, move.
Bloody civilian. Big yash, big hair. Carry with us. 2.5. Nonsense. When we reach us, I will buy you the clothes up. Let's go.
All these girls on social media, I don't even understand. Why will your man be smelling?
How much for your hair? How much for your hair?
You go sell this your hair, but you go buy toothpaste.
It's bone straight.
Go buy toothpaste.
Go carry and go buy toothpaste.
You sell and
go buy toothpaste.
You show the hair, Mabi. Come on, town.
Yeah.
She does that.
You kiss a Jama. Mata kiss a Jama. Mata kiss a Jama.
Baby, I'm there.
Jesus.
Come on, help him.
Jesus.
I don't know. Oh, Jesus.
Jama resurrect.
That side.
My brother, come now. Nuclear weapon she get. Nuclear weapon. Now nuclear weapon. Jesus. Now nuclear weapon. Who they go? Now nuclear weapon.
What kind of girl is this now?
Nuclear weapon, my brother.
I'm going. Don't worry. Thank you.
Let me beat her. Come. What is wrong with you?
Nuclear weapon.
Yeah, find me transport, I beg now.
Nuclear weapon.
Find me transport, I beg.
You go.
Find me transport.
You don't go run.
Carry nuclear weapon for man.
See your face like.
Oh, babe, how you gonna take appear here like this? My dear, I told you they come.
What's it with that?
They come, you know nothing happened. My sister, I just came unexpectedly. You know all these soldiers, you understand? These soldiers.
It is finished.
They will be saying the time.
It is finished.
Come to Asaba. Now I enter road. It's like taking a big shot. So need to come enter here. I don't know what's going to happen. I can't meet both of them. I can meet both of them so. My sister. They say rats they smell. How they go look fine girl like me as I be like this? See my hair. They can't tell me say rats. They smell everywhere. You understand? I can't say I don't understand the rats. They smell. I can't say I don't understand the rats where they smell. I can't say okay, fine. Before you know, they can't tell me say make I do frog jump. I can't they do frog jump. Oh, see my mouth they smell. I beg, check me. I beg. No can't use all those. You this your body odor, abi your mouth odor is still there. Baby, why you no work on yourself now? This mouth odor of how many years? 5 years now is still there. I know you say
Imagine, are you telling me the truth?
Let me go into something they smell now. You know the perceive. I don't perceive anything. How my mouth come carry smell now? Jesus. It's my babe. I beg, what you want me to do for you? Just tell me, I beg. I won't stay. You need place where you go stay. I beg. Yes, follow me, yeah? Follow me. No, carry money, buy expensive hair, buy expensive jewelry. You know, go save small money, may use buy toothpaste or better. Go clinic, go know what be your problem. You carry him out all the work up and start to find rich. Babe, no they do like this now. No they do like this, it don't make sense. Come, no, just come inside. Mama, show you your room. Boy, come, let me take you to your room. See, I'm sorry, I know you're feeling bad. You're feeling bad, I know, but if I'm not telling you this thing, who won't tell you? I'm telling you this because I truly like you. Most people don't go tell you the truth. And the truth be say your mouth still they smell. You stand here, they talk, that's what I hear. I the perceive man. I better work on yourself. There are so many girls on the street out there. They spend money to take care of themselves and all that. Why can't you do same for yourself? You just to take care of yourself just to buy expensive hair, do nails, do... The person no face down, talk with person for 5 minutes and the person will relax. I beg, I don't make you vex too much. I just want to let you know, say this thing, the thing is still bad. Make man know they reject you like that. Now this maybe now you have to find reason. The reason why man never marry you be this one. And the reason be that. Because if me I be man self, I no go. I bet no verse, I don't mean it like that. But I will tell the church if I be man self, I no go accept that kind of thing. I no go kiss you. My friend. I beg no open mouth there. No just man carry you enter your room. No just talk. Yeah. I beg no verse. I love you.